If you go to turn off your iPhone, but the display stays on, and you would rather it switch over to a completely black display, or maybe a black background, but just the time at the top, I'll show you how to do that. So you can see on my iPhone here, even though it is locked, it shows a dim version of the display or the wallpaper and the clock. So let's swipe up from here and turn that off. Tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. From the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Now, within Display and Brightness, the most likely feature that is causing this is the Always On display. So scroll down and looking for Always On display, you can see a couple of options here. One is to show the wallpaper. If I turn this off, I'll show you what it looks like. If I lock my phone, you'll be able to see the entire background is black, but it still shows the date and the clock. So this might be what you're after and you want it to just look like this. However, you might want the entire display to turn black. And if that's the case, all we need to do, let me just unlock this real quick, is to toggle off Always On display. After I've done that, if I lock my phone, you can see it goes completely black. I can always tap on it to wake it up, and then it will be woken up. However, if I tap on the power button again, it will go completely black. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.